What's up, guys? So this is my first video for this channel, and me saying what's up, guys. I know you guys don't actually know me, but as you like the name of this YouTube channel, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make money online. And I'm not like some other places you see that somebody just tell you that I'm going to teach you how to make $1,000 by the end of today. What I'm going to teach you is going to be step by step. You're not going to make $1,000 in a day. You're not going to make $800 in a day. It's going to be step by step. You might start by making $20 per week, then $40 per week, step by step. So I'll show you payment proof. I'll show you everything you need to know. So today I'm just going to show you a very simple app, and due to some cases I don't know, most of these apps I use are not available in Nigeria. So I'm going to make another video very soon on how to change your app store for iPhone or Play Store for Android to the American Play Store or App Store, so you could get most of these apps. But the app I'm going to show you today is available in the Play Store and is available in the App Store, not minding the country you're in. So the name of the app is called Kiki, and what this app does, the app pays you to actually post pictures. And I've actually tested out this app, and it actually works. But there's the only downside to this app is that the money you get depends on how many people like your post and how many people view your post. So I'm going to show you that now. So I just started using this app some days ago. So let me show you my earnings. Okay, so this is like my account over here. So as you can see, I have 25 likes, 50 views, and I've made $8.74. When you get to $75, you can cash out, and trust me, it's like very easy to get to $75. Not so easy, but after some time you're gonna get there. So it should take you about maybe latest 1 month to actually get to $75. And I'm actually doing this because if you can just get $75 for free, why not do it? So let me show you what I mean. So let me go over here. As you can see, I have 25 likes. What I mean by likes is that when you actually post a photo, you have to post something that is of your making. So you post a photo and you write something about it. So the more words you actually write about what you posted, the more money you get. So I'm not telling you to just go and write like 500 words or something. I'm telling you to just like write like 200 words and stuff like that. So as you can see, this person just posts pictures of phones, then he writes the features of the phone. So let me click on that. So as you can see, he posted a picture of a phone, and below it he just wrote the features of that phone. So as you can see, Honor phone, what's new, blah 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 blah. He wrote different things about the phone, and as you can see, he has other posts here also. He wrote different things about this post, and he gets 10 likes, 8 likes. I'm not sure how much money he's going to be making, but let me show you guys another page. So let me head over here real quick. Funny, not funny. So let me show you this page. This page has 76.93k posts and a lot of followers. So you can see, this page has, this picture alone has 952 likes. This one has 6.17k likes just for posting the picture of the laptop and the motherboard and everything, the CPU. Just for posting a text message, 953 likes. So you guys, this is pretty easy, right? This is pretty easy, right? Just post pictures and get money. I'm not Don't post things like violence, stupid things. Post sensible things. Like, you could post random things, you could post food, flowers, bottles, anything, and write something sensible so that people will actually be like, okay, this person has a point, let me like this post. So when you post your picture for the first time, it's gonna show up here. Let me see. So when you go over here to explore, let me go over there. So when you go over to explore, you see what is actually trending on the app at that time. So this has 2.40k likes, and you see what is like on the top super. Let me see that right now. So I think these are the ones that are like growing or something. They're new. So when you post your picture for the first time, it's going to stay here for some time until another person actually posts a picture. So let me show you what I've actually posted on my account. Let me see. So let me show you something. So I posted this 21 days ago, and I got $1.13 for that. I posted this 21 days ago. How much did I get for that? Okay, it's not showing here, but I posted this 21 days ago. I got $1.38 for that. I posted this 20 days ago. I got $1.23 for that, and I posted this when the amount for that is not showing. So this app is really cool to actually earn money with. A lot of you could go on the internet and actually check out this app. Just type in Kiki Time, and you actually see payment proof on the internet. When I cash out, also I'll also show you guys payment proof. But you guys could check out this app. This is one of the apps I've seen that are available in the Nigerian Play Store and App Store right now. And I'm gonna leave a link. When you download the app, I'm gonna leave a link to my page in the description. My page has 11 followers right now, so I'm gonna leave a link to my page in the description so we can each like each other's post and view each other's post and get money for doing that. So I'm also giving out this app. Let me show you guys that real quick. I actually have a lot of apps that I'm using. Let me show you guys so you guys know that this guy is not just saying rubbish and everything. So let me show you guys my PayPal account. And obviously, if you want to join the family, this YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe. And after you subscribe, please sign up for PayPal if you haven't signed up for PayPal already, because PayPal is the way these apps and everything they're gonna pay you. This is the way these apps are gonna pay you. So let me show you guys this real quick. If you have any questions, also I'm gonna leave my phone number. You can message me on WhatsApp. I'm gonna leave my phone number in the description. I'm gonna leave my Instagram username in the description, so you can message me. So let me see, 0618. My phone number is +1 862 246 8849. If you didn't get that, I'm gonna leave it in the description also. So don't mind this $2.10 in my account. I've actually transferred like all the money I've made to my bank account. Let me show you that real quick. So I transferred $5 to my bank account, $10, $10, $10. I received $22 from someone, $10. I'm going to show you guys this app also. This app pays really well, and one of the apps I use often, guys, the app I use most of the time. I love this app so much. Let me show you guys my history. They pay you over and over again. As you can see here, this is $1.60, $1.66, $1.92, $3 here, $2.17, $1.23, over and over again. And these apps pay you guys over and over again. And I'm going to show you guys how you could start using these apps and how you could start earning money from these apps also. As I said, if you haven't subscribed, and I'm very sure you have not subscribed, so please just hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to show you guys how to make money online in Nigeria, and sometimes I'll also show you guys some ways to actually make money offline by doing simple things here and there. So if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Remember, I'm going to leave a link to everything in the description. I'm going to leave a link to this app. So after you download this app, I'm going to leave a link in the description, so you can click on that link and follow my page and join our family here and subscribe to the channel. And so thank you guys for watching. Peace and out.